116th Street. This is a Harlem 148th Street down to local train. The next stop is 125th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end this live now.
This is 125th Street.
Transfer is available to the M60 lunch bus service to LaGuardia Airport.
This is a Harlem 148th Street bound to local train. The next stop is 135th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I keep deleting my live, I don't know why. Well, I didn't delete it, YouTube deleted it. Well, not YouTube. When I pressed X, it was not there, so I'll keep going.
Attention passengers, this 2 train is going to 148th Street in Lenox. There is no 2 train service to Wakefield, 241st Street. Service to Wakefield, 241st Street, you must transfer at 135th Street for shuttle buses. This 2 train, once again, is going to 148th Street in Lenox. There is no 2 train service to Wakefield. You must transfer at 135th Street with a free shuttle buses.
This is 135th Street.
Transfer is available to the 3 train.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is a Harlem 148th Street bound to local train. The next and last stop is Harlem 148th Street.
Attention passengers, once again, there is no 2 train service to Wakefield. You must transfer here at this station for the free shuttle buses. Additionally, this train will not stop at 145th Street. Next and last stop is 148th Street. Step all the way in, stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I don't know, my lives keep, well, my lives keep
Stand
deleting
clear
it,
of
I
the
don't know
closing
why.
doors, please.
kill my new students.
Charles Ray didn't get an attitude or some shit. It was bad, but he was like, I don't have an attitude, but the whole time he got his face in the live video. He said, well, fuck this. I have to make the video. I see that. Yo, he really be showing that he don't fuck with her. Like, I'm mad at skipping this. Trail. I'm just assuming you know it's true. In the end. That's how you know. You told her I saw it. That she was the main girl, but she was the main. My decided was oh, word. What the fuck?
What's up?
Wait, is this the stop that's all the way by that fucking Domino's? Why did they just get off the next stop? The stop is on. Did it stop? No, bitch. The stop is inside on Street.
This is Harlem, 148th Street.
He said, why did she not make the spaghetti? I said, but she didn't have it, so hungry ass. She made that when she went home. She did? Yeah. That's how she went to the supermarket.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.